Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I have this quick and easy chicken teriyaki bites for you guys. Absolutely delicious, of course, super easy. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please take a quick second to subscribe. Also, leave a like if you enjoy and let's jump right in. Before we begin, if you want to make this recipe, everything will be listed below for you. So I am starting by making the sauce. I'm using 5 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. Next, I'm going to add some sesame seed oil. This will highly increase the flavor of this dish. So do not skip out on the sesame seed oil. Next, I'm going to add some minced garlic. Also, I am going to be adding some minced ginger. Let me tell you, you cannot skip out on the ginger because this is one of the top ingredients when it comes to this recipe. Also, I'm going to be adding some dark brown sugar, and that's some more teriyaki sauce I'm adding in. Now we are going to give this a nice beautiful stir, just like this. Okay, now it's time to cut the chicken. I'm using chicken breast for this recipe. You can use boneless, skinless chicken thighs as well. I am going to cut them into cubes or bite size. Now that I have all of the chicken nice and cut, I am going to drizzle some olive oil on there so our seasoning can stick. And then we are going to season. The seasoning that I'm using for today's recipe are paprika, ground black pepper, onion powder, and also I am using some complete seasoning. Sorry, I had a burn fart. Like, I've been using complete seasoning on everything lately. So yes, this is a new phase. Lately I've been using complete seasoning because I'm loving the taste at the moment. I switch it up here and there, but you know how it is. So we're going to generously season the chicken with the seasoning. Now that we have the chicken nice and completely seasoned, I am going to grab a skillet. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on there. Allow that to get nice and really hot. Then I am going to place the chicken in there. We're going to cook the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. All right. It depends on how thick you cut your chicken. So yeah, I might cook mine for 5 minutes and you have to cook yours longer or less because we don't want to make this chicken breast dry. Okay, that's one thing we're not going to do. All right, this is about 10 to 12 minutes later. Our chicken is nice and ready to go, but we're not done yet, okay? Now you are going to grab your mixture of the teriyaki sauce, the ginger, the garlic. Just pour that all over your chicken. At this time, you should be cooking this on low because you don't want to burn the sauce. You're going to let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. And at this point, basically, it's done. It's ready to go. It's smelling amazing. All you need is a nice bed of white rice and you are good to go. Of course, if you want to make it nice and jazzy, you can add some veggies in there. But you guys, this was so bomb. I didn't have any sesame seed to just sprinkle on there, but yeah, it was good. It was bomb. It was chef kiss. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. It was super duper easy. And of course, it's delicious, super, super delicious, okay? I hope you try this out for the fam and come back and let me know in the comments. And if you want to make this, all of the ingredients will be below. Don't forget to like this video for me, family. Please, please, please subscribe if you're new. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.